Hi, this is from Source University. There's a job opening for the technology senior software engineer data modeler. The company name is Forgo. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The experience should be 4+ years of software engineering experience, 4+ years of data modeling experience, MS SQL Server experience, and SQL experience as well. And the candidate must be having 2+ years of experience in subqueries and large-scale data tables and desired language qualifications as well. And the second technology is Innovation Digital Data Product and Insight Senior Product Analyst of SGI Consumer-WIM Banking Analyst. The company name is Wells Fargo. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The desired qualification is 4+ years of data management, business analyst, and the 2+ years of SQL experience as well. Must have skills is SQL, Teradata, or any other RDBMS experience in creating VQs, control, and trend variance analyst as well. And desired qualifications are knowledge and understanding of relational and no SQL database structure in semi-structured as well. The fourth technology is Senior Business Intelligence Developer. The company name is Epsilon, India. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The qualification is minimum 6+ years of development experience utilizing Tableau desktop. Must have 5 years of experience in designing development. An excellent Oracle return communication along with positive attitude towards getting the work done as well. And the fourth technology is Senior SQL Database Administrator. The company name is Mindful Technologies, India. They are in need of 4+ years of experience candidate. The notice period must be 60 days. The shift must be 24/7 working candidate. You can send your resumes to this email ID as well, or else the link will be given in the video description. You can apply that directly. The fifth technology is SQL DBA. The company name is CodersBrain. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The total experience is 4+ years. The notice period is immediate joining or 15 days of time. Good to have skills is C++ programming language. And technical experiences, overall 4 to 6 years of working experience in industry with at least 2 years of automotive informative domain, excellent C programming skills, experience in design and development of C-based informative middleware experience within. The link will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to our Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.